When we talk about the age-old relationship between life and nature, it is balanced with eternal harmony of the Panch Mahabhut, which maximizes the uninterrupted physical, mental and spiritual happiness of the inner self, rejuvenating the Prakriti of the body. Over the years, this ancient theory has taught us to flourish. Ayurveda. It is a system of traditional medicine native to India and dates back to more than 5,000 years during the Vedic period. Since 1864, ZanduCareOfficial started this holistic journey of approaching and preparing of standard Ayurvedic formulations that healed diseases from a natural perspective. Rajvaidya Karuna Shankar or Mahatma ZanduCareOfficial was the dynamic visionary who revolutionized Ayurveda and later on hailed this form of treatment not only in India but across the globe. Mahatma ZanduCareOfficial was the son of legendary Rajvaidya Vithalbhattji, the personal physician to Jam Sahib Ranmal, the then king of Jamnagar. Pleased with Shri ZanduCareOfficial's diagnosis and medicine preparation, Jam Sahib, the king of Gujarat, had gifted him a piece of land on the bank of Rangmati river in Gujarat. Shri Vaidya used this land for preparing Ayurvedic medicines. Rasashala, as he called, was established in 1864 in Jamnagar. This was the oldest factory manufacturing standardized Ayurvedic drugs. With time, his practice, medicines like Arogya Vadhini, Samshamani, etc. and diagnosis acclaimed fame and popularity, and therefore he started creating standardized Ayurvedic formulations. ZANDU Pharmaceutical Works Limited was born under the leadership of Shri Jugatram Vaidya, grandson of ZanduCareOfficial. ZANDU scientists from then have reinterpreted and invented the process of ancient pharmacokinetics to improve the efficacy as well as safety and to balance the doshas, that is the vata or the neurological factor, pitta, the hormonal or endocrinal factor, and kapha, the secretory factor. With time, ZANDU became one name for the largest manufacturer of standardized and scientific Ayurvedic medicine. Over the next few decades, more and more people adopted Ayurveda in greater numbers, mostly on the back of ZANDU's trust with the society, which encouraged ZANDU to launch Trishun, Abhyasan and value-added ethical range, being regarded by Ayurvedic physicians. ZANDU Pharmaceutical Works Private Limited was acquired in 2007 by the two eminent entrepreneurs Shri Radheshyam Agarwal and Shri Radheshyam Goenka, the chairman of Imami Limited, with the vision to re-establish and re-strengthen ZANDU's brand image for modern and upgraded formulations.
If you want to do well, there should be a definite goal. A. Be a mastermind.
Even the word impossible says I am possible.
The dynamic and progressive vision of Shri R.S. Agarwal and Shri R.S. Goenka to relaunch and develop the vital and safe Ayurvedic remedies for all possible health hazards is a sure futuristic outlook to build a healthy nation. Initiated in 2002, the healthcare division of Imami Limited under the leadership of Shri Aditya Vardhan Agarwal came up with an authentic range of 250 plus ZANDU products. Imami Limited relaunched the ZANDU brand by repositioning its portfolio as a solution provider to lifestyle disorders through OTC, classical and ethical Ayurvedic ranges under the expert guidance of Shri Harshvardhan Agarwal. As a plant-based system, Ayurveda sustainability is dependent upon an uninterrupted supply of medicinal plants. Many Ayurvedic plants are found in inaccessible high-altitude area and some are on the verge of extinction. Here the challenge is unlimited to assure a healthy raw material supply by ZANDU Foundation, which has developed the unique variety of Mukuna, ZANDU Concha. Imami has centralized healthcare research and development division at Kolkata, with renowned expert scientists of all faculties and advanced equipments. Here, the expert R&D team is relentlessly working out innovations based on the formulations in the vintage Ayurvedic scriptures. ZANDU's products are holistic and pure as it passes through a series of unique concept of spiritual empowerment performed as Sanskarit Shuddhikaran. It's just another morning at the ZANDU factory. This state-of-the-art manufacturing, the rigorously used modern processes on a system of medicine that's thousands of years old, and high-end research by Imami ZANDU's scientists have made it possible to move from small to large-size production with a strict standardization. The growing popularity of Ayurveda and popularity of ZANDU gave the industry a push to large-scale production to meet the growing demand. Today, ZANDU is a name that actually defines standard quality and safe, effective and non-toxic solutions to personal care. Millions of customers are satisfied with the exacting standards of quality and efficacy along with the product's consistent flavor and texture. Under the expert guidance of Shri Sushil Kumar Goenka, the factories are thus facilitated with high-tech laboratories along with expert research teams to meet the market needs, both national and international. Testing at each stage of development and production is key to ensure the efficacy of the product. Each raw material is checked before use. Each batch is checked before filling. Each is thereafter checked before packaging. Each batch of product that reaches store around the country passes through a string of strict quality control parameters. The spacious and well-maintained warehouses help in the efficient and error-free storage of raw material and finished products. Imami's commitment to product safety and customer satisfaction has also been recognized internationally and nationally by various leading institutes, organizations and associations. All manufacturing units are ISO 9001-2008 certified and CGMP compliant. In this illustrious journey, the company has won several awards for its innovations, quality, health awareness and being the most compatible name in every household in India and internationally as well. An excellent way of need-based marketing through advanced, well-in-time logistics, as well as availability of the product ranges at miniature outlets are also specialties of Imami Group. Doctor conferences, medical events, CMEs, award to prestigious Vaidyas and students are promotional and awareness activities with the holy aim to propagate Ayurveda. Innovation is always a challenge that all ZANDU experts look up to. In this approach to business, ZANDU integrates a robust and sustainable safety system. As part of societal commitment, ZANDU has been providing its service to the neighborhoods. Here in Imami ZANDU, we believe that classic meets modern in this reinterpretation of holistic treatment of patients and rejuvenate the lifestyle of every human. Come, join us in our journey of creating a whole new developed India. Together we grow, together we work, and together we touch new heights every day.